Alright guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I want to show you guys how to participate in this Taker mining, that's Lite Mining airdrop. Before we go further, I want to apologize. You may hear the sound, the background sound of maybe altering my voice, so I apologize for that. I'm still working on the fix of all these issues. Now having said that, now Taker Lite Mining says is a river Lite mining crew and release your upfront validation power from miners. By participating, you are not just mining, you are writing a point that will be your golden ticket for the Taker Day one incentive. So guys, it's as simple. Let me get into it and show you how to go on about it. Now before we go further, please, this video is for educational purposes. Please do your own research. Having been said that, let's proceed into it. So first of all you need to do is to click on this where it says connect to wallet. Now you can use any of the wallets here. It could be a MetaMask, Phantom, or any other wallet that you have. So now you have the extension in your Chrome, be able to upload it. So mine, I'm going to use MetaMask for it. So I'm going to connect. Confirm. So as you can see, my wallet is already confirmed here. As you can see, it's linked. So you move down here. Now here you're going to see, if it's the first time of going into the website, all you're going to do is you're going to see where it says start mining. So all you're going to do is just click on it and it automatically start mining for you every 24 hours. And if you go down further, you're going to see this social media. It's very important that you carry it out so that you can be able to get updates regarding their site or any coming update that may comes up regarding the funds that you've already mined. And it's so easy. All you need to do is follow the ticker that you need to follow them on the X so that you can keep up to date whatever new update that is coming from. And then you can follow them on the Telegram, Discord, and then you can do it and also follow TikTok announcement because that's where they post most of the updates, be it in Discord, Telegram, on their X pages. Now it's very important before you proceed, before any of this is going to work out, first you need to verify that you are a human, because if you do not verify, all of the other options that you're going to do will not be able to carry it out. So it's very important that you always verify that you are a human, and after that you can be able to carry out the activities. And then guys, you need to know that they update daily tasks every day, so you can be able to come in order to help you gather more points. And also it's very important because once you invite one, if you invite one friend, you get automatically 500 points, and then from that point you'll be able to get at least 80% of the points from the friend activities. That's if they keep consistently and then they are farming without being if they are farming, you get commission from them. I'm going to post my referral links in the description below. Click on it and then start farming as early as possible. On this one, it does not require any gas fee. It's just so simple, just like the normal Telegram mining that we do. Once you click on it, it gives you after 24 hours. That's after a full day. Then you come back again to the website, the extension, and then you do it. It's just as simple as that. That's just all done. That's how to carry out this the Lite Mining. There are more updates that I will give you, but it's very important to start with this one. Yeah, the project is strongly backed by a in fact, a very big VCs are investing into this Taker mining app. So I suggest that guys, you go into it and start mining as early as possible. Thank you very much. Thank you for please guys, don't forget to like this video, comment, and then subscribe. It helps the channel.